Hello guys, this is Mahul. Welcome back again to my channel. So yesterday I have featured some of the Chrome extensions for immersive reading. Like those were immersive readers for your Chromes obviously. And they help you to read blogs or articles like more distraction freely. Yes, we can say that. But to be honest, I don't like reading. So, yes, here is the truth. I really don't like reading. Instead, if someone read any article or blog for me, like I would prefer that because, like, to be honest, I prefer to learn from videos than from articles or books. That's why I make videos. I don't write blogs or something like that. I may write blogs, okay, in future maybe, but I like to communicate like visually. That's why I make videos on the first place. But anyway, so there may be more many people who also like don't like reading, uh, like they may prefer hearing instant, like someone explaining the same thing to them, same article or same blog to them. So I gonna show another plugin or another Chrome extensions today for that purpose only. So let's get into the video. So as you guys can see here, I have opened an article of my own company, obviously, of Think and Dip. Go through our articles too, bro. Those are good. Like those are really good articles. Top five must watch. Whatever. Let's get straight to the point. So in this article, uh, like you can see a button here, right? This is not some kind of button that Medium provides. This is actually the Chrome extension, and the name of the Chrome extension is Natural Reader. Here is the Chrome extension. You can click on it also, it will play, and you can obviously click that button too, that will play also. Now it is ready to play. Before playing anything, would like to show you all of the features of it. So here also you can get a immersive reader. How cool is that, right? So if you are some kind of person who still like to have immersive reader along with the narrator, so this is a great plugin for you. And now in the settings portion, they have voices like free voices, premium voices, and plus voices. So in premium and plus voices, you can use it for I think 10 minutes or 20 minutes in premium or plus voice, or maybe less than that. So you can use that for a certain limit per month, not per day, per month. And you can use the free voice like for unlimited length. That will not be a problem. So here is the voice speed, obviously. In more settings, there is auto scroll, click to read, and auto set voice. And there's a cool dark mode also. So dark mode lovers, what I've done, yes, dark mode lovers. And there is volume settings, obviously, and read section, 20 characters per reading. And the highlighting option also, I have set my highlighting to 1 because I like it in that way only. And highlight, you can choose the highlighting length, is it will be a sentence or a word. Obviously I have choose a sentence and a word. And here is save to mobile. That is a really little and great feature, I think. It is a little feature, but it's great. And here you can upload your files also to read it out. Like you can drag and drop your PDF files, it will read that out too. Now I don't think you can listen to this voice. Okay, wait, let me reshare the screen. Okay, now you can see my screen and view this tab as well. So let's play it.
Top 5 must watch startup based web series. Part 1 Today's Meet a Goo Jewel 11 3 minutes read. Entrepreneurship is by far one of the toughest jobs as one has to start from scratch.
To be honest, it's sound more like more roboty, but we can't do anything about it because it's a free voice. You can't complain, obviously. And there's a great feature too, that is you can download the recording also, but that is only available in the premium plan. So I will not like share any further anything. Please try this plugin or what extension, and let me know if you like it or not. And what, oh, if you like my contents, please go subscribe to my channel. And if you have like if you have idea about or know some of the great cool apps, website extension, please let me know in the comments. I can make video about that too. So bye.